Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. This is Drew and Dee's over there. Say hi.
Yo.
So in today's video we are going to resurface some pots that I bought. Oh, there he goes. There's two of them. I bought two. It's made out of cement, but the final finish is going to be a stone faux finish. Stay tuned. So the reason why I'm resurfacing these pots is because I'm going to add my rosemary that I bought. What? So I bought these two rosemaries. I love rosemary. Quick story. I buy rosemary every year, and every year it dies. So hopefully this year is the year. There were, what is it, 35 each, plus the pots were 30. Bought them at Home Depot, and I bought the, what is it, potting mix. So we're going to screen it, and the reason why we're going to screen it because we bought the cheap concrete mix. It was like $3, and the cement one was like 15, which doesn't have aggregate. This one does have, which is all it has is little rocks, but you can buy the clean one, which is like $15-16 at Home Depot, but this is $3. So there you go. I would say that the consistency is almost like right here is too watery for me. You know, I would say the consistency would be like toothpaste, not soupy. I feel like this is really soupy. You see that? It's too watery. You probably have to add more. So let's see. There it goes. So you see, it's not that watery anymore.
It looks muddy.
Yeah, I would say that's a good consistency because you can move it, maneuver it. So the first thing you're gonna do after you do your mixture, you are going to, I guess, sand it off. Sand this so when you add your cement mix, it'll grab because it has a finish. You see the shiny finish? We're trying to take the shiny finish so it can be, you know, rough. So when we add the cement, it'll grab. So right now we're just I guess stuffing it up, in other words.
Everything is not enough. Really hard to find the ocean. And all of those white hot sands. Where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
So this is the first planter. It's already dry. I patched it. This is the patch part. It's not 100% dry, but I'm still gonna lightly sand those areas. And after I sand it, kind of smooth it out because it's a little rough. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, so we're done sanding. I forgot to mention that I used 80 grit. You sand in circular motions. And that's it. As long as you get a smooth finish, should be good enough. I know it's bumpy, but that's actually, I like it like that, a little bumpy. I mean, it's supposed to look like aged stone. You know, it can't look perfect. I'm gonna try to make it look perfectly imperfect, in other words. So it's time for painting to bring this pot to life. I'm going to be using acrylic paint. I got dark brown, linen, white, Target, dollar store, black, Target, dollar store, and country twill. I'll link them down below, everything I used. So hopefully we can get a nice stone look-alike, I guess. I'm gonna put some pictures so y'all can see the inspiration. So y'all can get an idea. I mean, I've never done this before, so hopefully it turns out good. And if not, it's paint. I mean, you can always repaint till you get the look that you're trying to go for. As long as you don't add the polyurethane matte finish. As long as you don't do that, you can always keep adding paint, taking paint, adding paint, and all that. Tools I'll be using is a sponge. The scissors was like this, square, and I just cut it around with the scissors, basically. Got paper plates. I'm gonna add the paint here and then water it down, and then we go from there.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean.